Alright guys, let's take a look inside our toolbox and see which tool... Wait a minute. Where are the tools? Oh, here they are. Oh, look at all of these tools. We're gonna have to sort these out. Alright guys, let's take a look and see which tool we're going to look at. Ratchet, the ratchet wrench. Cool. Saw. That's a wood saw. Ooh, adjustable wrench. Cool. Check out the hammer. That's always my favorite. Oh, and it's a T-wrench. Looks like the letter T. And our screwdriver. That's a Phillips screwdriver. Which one we have up next? Oh, puppies. They're so cute. Clamp. Cool tool. What tool do we have up there? Oh, it's a duck. Aw, little duck. So cute. The two-sided wrench. How cool. Awesome. Let's take a look at our next tool. It's a horse. That's not a tool, but he is beautiful. Wow. Check out this metal saw. Awesome. What do we have up next? Oh, it's a bigger one. That's a bigger metal saw. Cool. If you liked our video, give us a big thumbs up, guys. Bye.
Waffles!
Wow! Waffles?
Pie! Pie!
Pie!
Bread! Delicious!
Bread?
Chocolate!
Chocolate?
Croissant!
Croissant?
Peanuts!
Wow! Peanuts!
delicious.
Cookies?
Donut?
Donuts!
My favorite, ice cream.
Ice cream! Delicious! Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, ice cream.
Hamburger. Lettuce, cheese, and meat in the bun. Hamburger. Take a bite of that.
Hamburger and French fries.
French fries. Turkey.